And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Rather chilly out there, and it's expected to get considerably colder late tonight, especially once the wind begins to die off a little bit. It's also making it feel even colder right now. So right now, great visibility, nothing at all on radar, and nothing in the forecast in the short term other than cold temperatures. We're going to expect a low probably around 41 or so. The water's temperature still in the 50s, and with that northerly wind, even though it's diminishing, coming off that 50-degree water, it's hard to get it too cold right near the shoreline, and that's where the official reading is kept. A lot of us are going to be into the mid-30s, and it'll be lower 30s once you get very far inland. You'll see they're already a little bit cold. So again, we're going to drop then through the 40s overnight. These once again are sort of the areas in the urban locations or near the water. Subtract significant temperature difference here, at least 4, 5, 6 degrees for a lot of spots. And then tomorrow, we're going to struggle to get back up to 50, and then another cold night tomorrow night. Right now, you can see the effect of the water, keeping it warmer here, 46, 47 down in Currituck, 50 in Manio. You get inland, it drops a little bit, and then you get way inland, and it drops considerably more. So right now, we're at 43, for example, in Hampton, 45 in Virginia Beach. Going to drop it down then. Currently, it is 46, and it feels like 40 because of that northerly wind. Right now, 15 miles per hour, gusting even a little bit higher than that. So we'll drop another 5 degrees or so, again, right near the coastline, a little bit more inland. High temperatures today, 61, 62, 63, 64. You get down to the south, a little bit milder in Elizabeth City. So we continue again overnight to drop it down anywhere from around 32 at the farthest inland locations to about 41 or so right near the coastline. We'll average that out, say about 37 for most of us. Not much of a rise even by 9 o'clock in the morning, and with the cold flow around that high, again, we're going to struggle to even get out of the 40s during the day tomorrow. This is the tricky part of the forecast, at least the first tricky part. Comes up Friday during the afternoon and into Friday night. Low pressure down to the south is programmed to come up, or expected to come, according to the computers, up the coastline and hit us. Now, we said earlier, we thought it was going to be a little farther to the south. Well, now the computers are starting to catch on. They've moved it about 30 miles south already compared to when I was on during the earlier broadcast. So just keep it tuned here. I'll be in tomorrow and again Friday. I'll let you know what's happening with that storm system coming close to the coastline. Not a lot going on. If you're heading way out west, you'll run into some wet weather, some rather cold temperatures with a few flurries moving through the upper Midwest, and some rain down across areas of Florida if you have travel plans tomorrow. So tonight, mid-30s to near 40 for most of us. A little bit colder, as I said, for very inland areas. Tomorrow, a lot of sunshine. Very chilly for this time of year, a high of only 50. Then the 7-day forecast calls for 57 on Friday, a nice day. Friday night, we're hoping that that all misses us down to the south. And then Saturday night, another chance of that storm system. 64 for a high Saturday, only 53 Sunday, but still a decent travel day.
All right, thanks, Jeff. Okay.